Good morning, welcome back to the Midnight Moose channel. We got another crossword for you today. It's Friday. Happy Friday, August 19th, and that's pretty cool. Okay, we got the Bernacle twins here writing a puzzle known as Insect Sound. Insects make chirps, buzzes, whirs, and alarm sounds, I think. So we'll see how it goes. One in a slalom race. Okay, if you're going down in a slalom race, you're sitting in a, what's it called? I don't know. Fiber in brown rice. Fiber. Okay, what kind of fiber? Brown rice. No idea. What cats do constantly? 3 letters. Nap. Let's think about it. That toy is mine. How about gimme? Prefix with space, arrow, space? I don't know if that's a real word. A De La Rigura of Goliath. Never seen it. Sorry. There's just no way. Not possible. Blank Fridays. TGI Fridays. But you need an extra letter. So... Wait. TG... Never mind. What was I thinking? Yeah, you're telling me. I don't know. Thor or Vishnu. That's a god. National Park attendant could be a ranger. Get lost pest. Scram. Shoe, maybe? I don't know. Professions. That's jobs. Careers, maybe? Really bad, awful, perhaps? Astronomer who taught at the University of Pisa. Okay, let's think about this one. Galileo, right? Galileo. That's an astronomer of old. Ha, I was right. I don't know. A bunch of could be lots. Easy to learn card game. How about Uno? It's actually pretty hard to learn in my opinion. Digits in a sock. Those are toes. Big Little Lies author Moriarty from Sherlock Holmes. I don't know. The K in KG. How about kilo? Lager alternative, maybe ale. ENTs and GPs, those are doctors. Docs, perhaps. Needed replenishing. Was low. I don't know if that's right. Harmony to Taoists. Not sure. State fair thrills. Could be rides. Poses a danger to, threatens, threats, not really. There's a few words for sure. Provide a false alibi for, maybe a bet. Headwear in Santa's workshop, elf hat, I don't know. Mother of a piglet, that's a sow. Frodo's friend, that's Sam Wise Gamgee. Opposite of paleo. Paleolithic. No idea. Informal addition to the Fab Four. I couldn't even tell you the base 4. You want me to add the informal 5th Fab 4? Couldn't tell you. First numero uno. Wait, we already wrote uno. Apparently it's wrong. Okay. Artist's inspiration, that could be a muse, probably. Gemstones with a matrix variety, probably opals, I don't know for sure though. Plopped down, sounds like sat. Periods, who use names often ending in zoic. Eras, Mombasa's African country. Not sure. Reached base dramatically. What? Diet high in fat. Not sure. Poison ivy symptom. A rash. Are all these wrong? Problem that often comes with success. Ego. Approximately. Would be roughly. So yeah, all those are wrong. That's great. Sorry about that. Okay, there we go. Alright, that toy is mine. Not sure what ends in an O. Okay, so what were you thinking? Ego. This one was a rash. Let go, maybe? And then rash is wrong. I don't know. Okay. No smart bones for you. Maybe bad dog. Stimpy's companion, Ren, and Stimpy. Butter sculptures, for example. So is that plural? Easy decision. That's a no. Brain oh, everything's wrong again. It's happened before. Okay, what's this? Fiber. So bran. ARs. Butter sculptures. I don't get it. Maybe. Secrets of the Zoo Network. Nat Geo. Wild, of course. Fury. Anger. Units for socks and shoes. Pairs. We got Anna de la Rigura. Yes. Bathroom at Wimbledon. How about the loo? And we're missing something here. Maybe this isn't an S. I don't really know. What's this? There's just no way. Couldn't be. It couldn't be. Is B the insect sound? Wait, are bees insects? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, maybe an itch here. We'll figure the rest out later. Ahead of schedule, Earls. Obviously. Early. A knee, that's right. Body, wash, lather, maybe suds. Large family group, sounds like a clan to me. Lead in to girl or boy. Ada. Cashmere, for example, that's wool, as far as I'm aware. Run away, flee. Not sure the rest. Gather together, amass, perhaps. Period for self-care. Something time, me time. Something like that. What's this? Told ya, maybe. Alone time. Okay. Diaper cream additive. How about aloe? Propels a dinghy. Rose. And we got war for easy to learn card game. That's true. Okay. Treats with a cold pack. Ices, perhaps. We got Lyanne Moriarty. Never heard of her. Sorry. Make a blankie. How about knit? Ran low. That works out. Late night tea choice. Decaf. Everything all right between us. Are we okay? Nah. Glam. Bands. Not sure. Lists of salon services. Menus? Maybe. I'm not 100% sure. Kagan of the Supreme Court. Elena Kagan. Is that an E at the middle? Or an A? I don't know. I forget. Move like a buoy. How about Bob? Comics icon Stan Lee. Partner in a fight. That's your ally, I suppose. Flat-topped hill. That's a mesa. Coyote's coat. How about fur? Organization screening carry-ons. TSA. Donkey Kong is an ape. Kenya is this country. And we got informal addition to the Fab Four, a fifth beetle. Beetle is an insect, as far as I'm aware. And bees. And is that it? I don't know. Alright. What's this, by the way? One in a slalom race. Is it flyer? No. Reached base dramatically. Give me a minute. What was I thinking? Is it skier? Okay, skier here. We got dough, maybe, for keto, and slid. Reach base dramatically in a baseball game. Slide. I don't know. Glam, bands. Mashes, rashes. Not sure. Okay. Poses a danger to, menaces, makes sense there. Opposite of paleo, I guess neo. And we are fleeing on foot. One nest. I didn't think so. One nesh. Glam bands. No idea. Sashes? Oh. And oneness. Of course. Obviously. Insect sound. Were there really only two? Am I crazy? Oh, I guess a flea is an insect. And, oh, a gnat with a G. There you go. Okay, there are 4. I'll allow it. And that'll do it. Leave a like if you enjoyed this crossword. Leave a dislike if you hate it. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for being here. Have a great day. See you next time. And goodbye.